Hello everyone, welcome back to English with Fana. Today, we are going to learn how to say happy birthday without saying happy birthday. As for me, my favorite phrase for happy birthday is I wish you all the loveliest things in the world. So today, we are going to expand our vocabulary and give varieties to our conversation. Before we start, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below to subscribe to my channel. Without wasting any time, let's level up with other phrases to say happy birthday. Number 1. All the best on your special day. All the best on your special day. For example, hey, it's your birthday today. All the best on your special day. Number 2. Have a great birthday. Have a great birthday. This phrase shows that we are wishing them to have a great day on their birthday. Number 3. I wish you a happier birthday than anyone else has wished you. I wish you a happier birthday than anyone else has wished you. This phrase shows that we want our wish to be the most special wish for the person. Number 4. It's time to celebrate. It's time to celebrate. This phrase sounds so exciting, especially when we already had a plan for the birthday. Number 5. May you have a fantastic day and many more to come. This phrase shows that we are wishing the person to have a great birthday, not only on his or her birthday, but for the rest of the year. Number 6. May your birthday be filled with laughter. May your birthday be filled with laughter. This phrase shows that we are wishing the person to have a birthday filled with laughter, joyous, and fun-filled. Number 7. I wish you a wonderful birthday. I wish you a wonderful birthday. This phrase shows that we are wishing the person for a very wonderful birthday and all the good things. Number 8. Have a fabulous birthday. Have a fabulous birthday. Fabulous. I just love the word. When I say the word fabulous, I imagine a birthday filled with glitters, balloons, and all things magical. Number 9. I hope you have an enjoyable birthday. You deserve it. I hope you have an enjoyable birthday. You deserve it. This phrase shows that we wish the person a very enjoyable day, a very nice day. Number 10. Many happy returns of the day. Many happy returns of the day. This phrase is such a simple but sweet phrase. We pray that the person will have all the loveliest things on his or her way. Number 11. I wish you many more candles to blow out. I wish you many more candles to blow out. This phrase shows that more candles, more birthdays. And the last one, number 12. Wishing you a day as special as you are. Wishing you a day as special as you are. It's a very special wish. We can use this for our beloveds and for our loved ones. That's all for today. I hope to see you again in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to comment what is your favorite phrase to wish your friends and loved ones happy birthday. Also, do follow me in all my social media accounts. I have Instagram at English with Fana and a Facebook page. Till next time, bye beautiful people!